Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here once again at CVS because I have CVS best deals for the week of October 2nd all the way until October the 8th. If you're interested in any of these deals, you have until Saturday the 8th to do them. Now remember, we do have plenty of more other deals. These are just the top best deals in my opinion. I was trying to get my daughter out of the way. I do go record with my kids. Sorry about that. But before we start, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and make sure you turn on your bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So for our first scenario, now it says select Nivea body wash. Buy 2, get 5 extra care bucks with a limit of 1. Now you can either choose between the men's or the women's. The women's body wash does seem to be a little bit higher in price, so we're going to go ahead and choose the cheapest one, which is the men's body wash. These are priced at $5.49. We're going to go ahead and grab 2 of these, bringing it to a total of $10.98, but we're going to be using one of these manufactured $3 coupons that came out in the $9.25 save. So $5.49 each. For 12 of them, it's going to be $10.98 minus that $3 manufacturer coupon is going to bring it down to paying $8.80. But $7.98. I'm sorry. But we are going to be getting back 5 extra care bucks, leaving these after the extra care bucks for $2.98 or only $1.49 a piece if you need some cheap men's body wash. Now for our big hair event, as you guys can see in the ad, you can go ahead and check it out at CVS. In the ad, there are a bunch of deals that qualify for this big hair event. Now it is spend 40, get 10 extra care bucks. I'm going to give you guys a scenario with some Head & Shoulders. Now these are going to be priced 2 for $12 this week. We have a $3 manufacturer from the October P&G for $3. We're going to be getting some of the Herbal Essence shampoo. These are now priced 2 for $14. Super expensive shampoo. But we also have a separate $3 manufacturer coupon as well that came out in the October P&G. We're going to go ahead and grab 2 of these. I used to use these on my daughter. She has curly hair and I love the way that it makes her hair feel. Fun fact, if you guys cared. Now we're also going to be grabbing some of the Pantene. Now these are priced 3 for $15. We're going to go ahead and grab 3 of these. You can either pick up the shampoo or conditioner, mix and match, doesn't matter. And we have a $3 manufacturer coupon that came out in the October P&G. So this is going to be it. Now we have the this is going to be it for our shampoos. Lost my train of thought like I always do. The Head & Shoulders 2 for $12 with a $3 manufacturer coupon. The Pantene 3 for $15 with a $3 manufacturer coupon. And the Herbal Essence shampoo 2 for $14 with the $3 manufacturer coupon. As I told you guys, you can find these coupons in the October P&G. So for all of these shampoos, it's going to bring it to a total of exactly $41. We have $9 in manufacturer coupons. So after the coupons, we are left to paying $32, but we are going to be getting back 10 extra care bucks, leaving these for $22 after our extra care bucks are only $3.14 a piece. I feel like that's a little expensive. So if you happen to grab or if you got sent one of these 6 off 30 threshold CRTs, I will leave in the description box on how you can start receiving these types of coupons. Now, again, I'll do the math. $41 before coupons. We're going to be using that 6 off 30 and $9 in manufacturer coupons. It's going to leave to paying $26 but getting back 10, leaving these for $16 after extra care bucks are only $2.28 a piece if you're interested in that. Now another easy deal we can do, any Ubay Kotex are going to be on promotion, buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2 you're going to get 2 extra care bucks with a limit of 1. Now the cheapest here at my store are going to be the ones priced at $1.79. If you can't find these, you can just grab the $1.89 ones. They're going to be 20 cents more expensive, but it'll still be a good deal. So I'm going to grab these $1.79 for one of them and then half off for the second one at 89 cents. So for 2 of them, it's going to bring it to a total of paying $2.68. But we are going to be getting 2 extra care bucks. So paying $2.68 but getting back 2. After the 2 extra care bucks, these are going to come down to 68 cents or only 34 cents a piece. Again, not a bad price if you need some liners. Or you can throw this into a threshold CRT, like if you have a 10 off 70, this is a good deal to throw in that. And then a pretty good deal if you guys need some Huggies diapers. Now the Huggies, the pull-ups, the Huggies wipes are going to be part of a sale. When you spend 20, you're going to get 5 extra care bucks with a limit of 1. We're going to go ahead and grab some of the pull-ups New Leaf. It does have to be these white ones because we do have some rebates. So these are going to be on sale 2 for $21. Now we're going to be using two $2 manufacturer coupons that came out in the 9/11 Smart Source, if I'm not mistaken. We're going to be using 2 of these. So 2 for $21 minus $4 in manufacturer coupons. We are left to paying $17, but we are going to be getting back 5 extra care bucks. And when you submit your receipt back to Ibotta, you're going to get $6 back, 3 for each pack. And if you guys have not downloaded Ibotta, here is my referral code. I was going to say my reference code. My referral code. I'm sorry about that. Or you can click the link in my description box. I will have it linked where you can just click the link and it'll send you to download Ibotta. And when you scan your first receipt, you're going to get a $10 bonus besides those other $6 for the diapers. So we're going to be paying $17 but getting back 5 extra care bucks, $6 on Ibotta. And if you guys happen to have this Fetch Rewards, what is this, 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2, we're also going to be getting back $2 there. And again, if you don't have Fetch Rewards, I will leave my referral code right here as well as a link in the description. When you download my referral code, my link, you will get a $2 additional when you scan your first receipt. I always get bonuses as well when you guys use my referral codes. I really appreciate when you guys do it, so thank you for that. So 2 for $21 minus $4 manufacturer coupons. We are left to paying $17, getting back 5 extra care bucks, $6 on Ibotta, and $2 on Fetch Rewards. So after all of the rebates and extra care bucks, these are going to come down to $4 or only $2 a piece. Now, if you don't have manufacturer coupons, these are still going to be pretty cheap. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any what was I going to say? What rebate you guys got on Fetch Rewards. Now, Ibotta does seem to be the same for everybody, but on Fetch Rewards, we do happen to have different rebates. So I got that $2, well, 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2. But let me know what you guys got and if you plan on doing this diaper deal. I think I'm either going to go with this or get the Huggies wipes since I need Huggies wipes a little bit more than I need diapers. Anyways, I was going to show you guys the deal on the Scott paper towels, but as you guys can see here, we are absolutely out of paper towels. So that will have to wait for a different day. Now, the spend 30, get 10 extra care bucks on the Tide. As you guys can see here, the bigger bottles of the Tide and the Tide Pods are going to be included, as well as the Tide, the Gain, and the Bounce dryer sheets, the Unstoppables. They're going to be on sale for $6.99. We're going to go ahead and grab one of these, and we have a $1 digital coupon, as well as some Tide detergent. Now, the bigger bottles are going to be on sale for $12.99. We're going to be grabbing one of these. And as you guys can see here in the ad, we are supposed to be getting $3 digitals. So I'm going to be grabbing a Tide detergent, and I'm going to be grabbing some Tide Pods. These are going to be priced as $12.99 as well. And I hope we also get a $3 digital as well. So this is going to be it for our spend 30, get 10. So we have the Gain at $6.99. We're going to be using a $1 digital coupon. And then we're going to be grabbing one of the Tide Pods, priced at $12.99. As you guys can see here, we are supposed to be getting $3 digitals, as well as a $3 digital for the Tide liquid detergent, price at $12.99. So before coupons is going to bring it to a total of $32.97. We're going to use the $1 for the Gain and $3 each for the Tide, and then $3 for the Tide liquid one. So after coupons, we are left to paying $25.97, but we are going to be getting back 10 extra care bucks. So after the 10 extra care bucks, these are going to be $15.97 or only $5.32 a piece. But if you guys got this 6 off 30 like I did, I'm going to do the math again so you can save $6 additionally. So $32.97 minus that 6 off 30 and $7 in digitals. We are going to be paying $19.97, but getting back 10 extra care bucks. So after the extra care bucks, these are going to come down to $9.97, or only $3.32 a piece, which I think that's a pretty good deal for these expensive bottles of detergent. So that's going to be it for today, you guys. Let me know what CRTs you guys got. Now remember, I do pre-record this a day before. I always record these on Saturdays just so I can have them up for you guys early on Sundays, because my CVS does typically open a little bit later in the day. So that's going to be it for today, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.